Happy and fantastic day, dear children. I welcome you all to the English Corner. Children, today what we are going to learn is preposition. Okay? It is a small portion in your grammar and it plays a major role, actually. Preposition. So segregate that. Pre means what? Before. Okay? Position means placing. So the words placed before noun or pronoun are prepositions. See here, it is a small activity for you. So you have to take your notebook, draw this picture, what it represents, whether it is in, on, like that. You have to draw it and make a sentence on your own. Okay, all these you learned it in earlier classes, and now also you're going to learn the same, right? So first is on. Check it. You have to draw in this position only, right? Next is in. Next to, under, in front of, behind. So children, all these it has to be in your homework note. Okay, dear? So I'm giving you the preposition which you are familiar with the words, right? The rectangular boxes, the pink color rectangular box, green color rectangular box, and the yellow color rectangular box represent the position about the words which I'm talking about. Okay? Above. So the pink color box is above the line. Under, below, beneath. Under, below, beneath. All three are related words, but there are some minute differences. Okay? So now you search in your dictionary and find out what is under, what is below and beneath. This yellow color rectangular box is under the black line, or below the black line, or beneath the black line. So three are related. A small minute difference. That is what we are going to learn. What are the minor differences and what are the classifications, right? Next is beside. So a rectangular box, pink color rectangular box is beside the black line, right? In back of. So the green box is in the back of a line. In front of. The green box is in front of the line. So between. Pink color rectangle is between the two lines. In. So yellow color box is in the black color line. Out. So out. The pink color box is out of the line, right? So now inside. So children, can you observe in is there and inside is there? So what is the difference you find in the picture itself? You can able to find and you can tell me what is the difference between in and inside. Okay. Outside and out. On. Clearly the picture shows on is the word, the two surfaces are touching each other. Okay. The surfaces of two objects are touching each other. Then we will call that as on. Off. So out of. Up, down, across, around, into. See, in, inside, into. What is the difference? Out, outside, out of. What is the difference? Okay. So near, through, for, with, first and last. So all these are the preposition words which you have to note it down in your homework note. Right, dear? So we'll go into the topic preposition. Before entering into the topic, we are talking about preposition. I gave homework also. And do you know what a preposition is? Here is the definition. So 2-3 definitions are there. We'll see minimum of 2 definitions for preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words that shows relationship of a noun or a pronoun to some other word in a sentence. So it shows a relationship. That is what is main. It shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to some other word in the sentence. Another one definition is a preposition is a word that tells us where something is, where some objects are present, where something is. Okay, this is the second definition. So based on the place, based on the preposition, it differs. Again, preposition is a word that shows relationship only, and on the top and bottom you have some words. Can you able to see that words? About, above, across, after, against, all starting with A, preposition starting with A. Here be, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, by. So all these are prepositions which starts with A and B, right? Now on, between, beside, under, in, above, in front of, near, behind, all these picture you could have seen whenever we are talking about preposition. From second, third onwards, whenever you are learning the words on, between, then the teachers will show this picture only. Your parents will show this picture only. Right? But we have 8 types of preposition. Some will say 2 types, some will say 3 types, some will say 5 types, and I am saying you 8 types of prepositions are there. One is preposition of time, 2 preposition of place, preposition of movement, preposition of manner, preposition of agent of instrument, preposition of measure, preposition of source, preposition of position. Okay. So just once again you go through all the 8 types of prepositions. Preposition of time, place, movement, manner, agent of instrument, measure, source, and position. So 8 types we are going to learn in today's session. If it is not possible, we will continue in the next session also. Right? So first type. Before that, we saw the definition. Once again, a recap of the definition. A preposition consists of a word or a group of words that demonstrate the relationship between a noun or a pronoun with another word or in a sentence. And a preposition adds extra information to sentence such as directions, place, time, movement, manner, agent, measure, source, and position. A preposition is usually a short word. Okay. So in front of nouns only it will be used. First type is preposition of time. So preposition of time usually indicate when something happens. So the word when is a clue word. When something happens is when represent time. Happens is present tense, happened past tense, or will happen future tense. So usually preposition indicate when something happens present, happened, or will happen in the future. So there are several prepositions of time. Some of it is given here: at, on, in, before, during, and after. At, on, in, before, during, and after. Okay. So now we will see one by one. David was born on August 8, 2001. Children, please go through the examples very keenly. From this itself, you will get some clues about preposition of time. Okay. David was born on August 8, 2001. David was born at 4 a.m. in the morning. David was born during the holidays of 2001. David was born after our hottest summer. David was born in 2001. David was born before our trip to England. So, why I am using different types of different preposition in each sentence? Each and everything has some rules and regulations to be followed. Where to use the right preposition, where I have to place the right preposition when it comes to time. So the rules are: first rule, use in when you refer to years, months, seasons, centuries, and time of the day. For example, it is always hot in January. So this is month here, right? In refers to year, month, season, centuries, and time of day. Next rule is use on when you refer to days, dates, and specific holidays. So we go to church on Sunday. We use at when you refer to time, exceptions, and festivals. Example, I work best at night. So at night on Sunday in January. So have you noticed that? In is used for years, months, on for days and dates, at for specific time. Okay. So now preposition of place. In the box. See the picture and the red color letter represent preposition in the box, on the box, under the box, next to the box, between the boxes, among the boxes, among, one among the boxes, in front of the box, behind the box, above the box, below the box, near the box, far from the box, at the door. So all these are the preposition of place. Okay, where the ball is present. Where the box is present, sorry. Where the box is present. So above the box, where the ball is present or where the box is present. Yes, exactly correct. Where the ball is present is only correct. In the box, so the ball is present in the box. On, touching each other. Under and below, you can able to see the picture. Under is touching and below there is a gap. Okay. Under means two things is touching each other. Ball and the box, surface of the ball and the box touches each other. Whereas below, can you able to see below the picture below, the box and the ball have a gap in between, isn't it? The same way on and above, over also. On is touching, above gap, more gaps are there, and over the box and the ball will have some distance, okay, very small amount of distance, but whereas above will have more distance, right? So shall we move to the next slide, dear? Here also the same picture representation of places, right? On, beside, above, between, in front of, behind, under, and near. So children, I hope preposition of places will be clear for you. We will meet in the next session. Okay. And before that, if you have any doubt at any time, we are welcoming you. Right. Thank you, dear.